Power outages can crush your food truck's rush, but imagine sun-powered freedom that's silent, clean, and always ready. Today I'm showing the top 6 solar generators that keep your kitchen alive, no gas needed. Stay tuned and snag your ideal one through the links in the description. On number 6 is Jackery 300 watts. In the chaos of a busy lunch rush, nothing feels worse than your gear going dark. That's where the Jackery Explorer 300 watts steps in like a trusted sidekick, delivering a surprising punch of portable power in a compact package that won't weigh you down. With a 288 watt-hour battery and 300 watt rated output, this power station keeps phones, tablets, and small appliances humming. And when you link it with solar panels, you suddenly unlock a clean, grid-free energy source that deserves a place alongside other standout solar-powered generators for food truck setups. Easy to carry and versatile enough for outlets, USB-C, and carports, it helps you keep lights, fans, and devices alive through service. Yet its modest capacity reminds you that heavier fridges or compressors may need a larger system. If you want reliable, quiet power that's eco-friendly and fuss-free, this unit eases the stress of unpredictable power and keeps you ready for the next rush. At number 5 is Keenergy OUKITEL 5000 120 watt-hours. Imagine planning a weekend event and the lights flicker off just as your line builds. That dread in your gut is exactly why serious food truck owners consider robust power solutions like the OUKITEL P5000 Pro 5120 watt-hour portable power station. Battery skills with its massive 5120 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery and high-output AC ports. Designed to keep refrigerators, cash registers, and lights humming through unpredictable outages or off-grid setups that many top 6 solar-powered generator for food truck lists explore, this unit's ability to recharge fast via AC or solar input and its seamless EPS backup means you're not scrambling when the grid quits. And while its bulk and weight make it less ideal for daily lugging compared to lighter models, the sheer endurance and clean, quiet energy delivery turns uncertainty into a solid day or more of service without gas fumes or noise. At number 4 is ECOGREAT OSCAL PowerMax 6000. When your food truck's rhythm gets shattered by a sudden blackout, the ECOGREAT OSCAL PowerMax 6000 solar generator delivers a punch of reliable energy that restores calm and keeps service alive. Packing a 3,600 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery with a 6,000 watt continuous, 9,000 watt peak output, it fuels fridges, lights, and point-of-sale systems with the muscle many top 6 solar-powered generator for food truck setups weigh up. And with 120 or 240 volt dual voltage, it even handles heavier equipment most lighter stations can't sustain. The near-fast recharge, about 1.44 hours with AC plus solar input, means downtime shrinks and app monitoring adds real-time control. Downsides? Its heft and upfront cost are noticeable, but for longer shifts or multi-day outdoor events, the sheer clean power backup brings relief and peace of mind few rivals in its class can match. On number 3 is AFERIY 3840 watt-hours. Picture this. Customers lining up while your lights flicker and fear creeps in. That's the exact stress food truck owners seek to avoid when comparing top 6 solar-powered generator for food truck options. And the AFERIY 3840 watt-hour portable power station steps into that moment with a deep reserve of energy and versatility that can keep fridges, lights, and POS systems alive for hours without fumes or loud noise. With a 3,600 watt pure sine wave inverter, and ability to charge from AC, solar, or both at once, it can go from empty to full in around 1.3 to 2.5 hours under the right setup, so you spend less time waiting for power and more time serving. Its smart app control lets you monitor usage and manage outputs on the fly, and UPS mode switches in under 10 milliseconds during outages to protect sensitive electronics. The weight isn't trivial, so it's less nimble than smaller models, but its capacity and expandability make it a formidable choice for longer service days and high-demand food truck energy needs. At number 2 is Anker SOLIX F2000. A single power failure can silently erase an entire day's earnings, and that's exactly where the Anker SOLIX F2000 steps in with authority, delivering a solid 2,048 watt-hour capacity and 2,400 watt output that keeps essential food truck gear alive when the grid disappears. Think refrigerators humming, lights steady, orders flowing without interruption, which is why setups like this often enter conversations around top 6 solar-powered generator for food truck solutions. Now pause. What makes it different? Fast recharge to 80% in about 1.4 hours, plus solar input up to 1,000 watts for off-grid flexibility. Then comes control, smart app monitoring and UPS backup in milliseconds to keep sensitive devices safe. Downsides? It's not feather light, and higher capacity units outlast it. But compared to bulkier alternatives, it balances strength and mobility, turning stressful outages into manageable moments that keep your service alive. Now, moving to the last one is ZeroKor 300 watts. A tiny power box can decide whether your food truck earns or shuts down. And the ZeroKor 300 watts proves that even compact energy can rescue a busy shift when everything feels at risk. Built with a 280 watt-hour battery and clean 300 watt output, it quietly supports phones, lights, small coolers, and POS systems. Exactly the kind of backup many consider when exploring top 6 solar-powered generator for food truck setups. Now pause. What problem does it really solve? Sudden outages and limited space. At just around 5 pounds, it slips into tight corners and travels effortlessly, unlike bulkier units. It offers multiple ports and solar charging flexibility, though it won't handle heavy appliances like grills or large fridges. Compared to higher capacity stations, it's smaller but far easier to manage. Perfect for light-duty reliability that keeps your service moving when power feels uncertain. If you want one smart investment, the Anker SOLIX F2000 stands out because it perfectly balances power, portability, and reliability for real food truck use. With strong output, fast charging, and long lifespan technology, it keeps essential equipment running without stress. Unlike smaller units, it handles serious loads, yet avoids the bulk of massive systems. Experts often highlight mid to large power stations like this for versatility and convenience in real-world scenarios. It's the point where performance meets practicality without overpaying or overcomplicating your setup. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 solar-powered generator for food truck. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.